So here we have the next trade, which was at 227. We can see here that our moving average, the boss, I call it, was in the sell position. Our Kaizen was also in the sell position. Down here, our zone histo was orange, means sell. Our zone signal was red, which means sell. And we can see here that our slope had turned also into the sell position. Again, notice we have the yellow, okay? So telling me to be careful. Again, you can see this bar here is much larger than the others. So I need to be careful. I actually did enter somewhere around here. Now, the first thing we do once we enter is we get our impulse wave, our Fibbo impulse, to find out where our targets are approximately. So we go from the swing high, see, to about there somewhere. So see if I can make it a bit bigger. I can't. Grab my tool here. So here we have, oops, swing high there, swing high. 61 is here, 0 is here, and 138 is here. Well, again, everything looked good to go. It won't be a big trade, but it'll be a trade nonetheless. So from here to here, it looks like we would have got about 2 pips, because that's where I would have gone out. I really don't care what happens down here, but at 2 pips. So with the 5 pips of the previous trade, I'm already up around 7 pips. So I've only got 5 pips to reach my target for the day. So I take those 2 pips gladly. Now, look here, important, we're about pip accumulation. We're not trying to get 20 pips in one trade. We're quite happy to get 2 or 3 or 5 or 6, a 7. Sometimes we even get 10s, but very rarely do we get many more than that, unless you're going to use some other form of exit. But again, it's a positive trade. It's pips in the bank, and that's what matters.